Hello everyone. So today we are going to build a brick breaker game using ChatGPT and HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So the steps to build a brick breaker game are as follows. The first thing that we need to do is we need to go to ChatGPT and enter the prompt steps to build brick breaker game using HTML, CSS and JavaScript with code. And it will showcase what we need to add in our code. So we need to first set up HTML structure, then CSS and then the JavaScript code to build actual brick breaker game. The first thing that we do is we have an HTML code and we are going to do it using a code pen. And in the code pen, we will copy the CSS first in the canvas. So let's copy this and paste it in the CSS. Then we'll copy the canvas ID from the body and paste it in the HTML part. Then we have some additional CSS which we can copy and paste it in the CSS section of the page. Then we'll start building the JavaScript code. So the first thing are the variables which are needed to run the code. So let's copy the base variables. Now, the thing that happens is in ChatGPT, after some time, it stops generating the code because there is a character limit. And what you can do is you can just simply press continue to allow it to generate the rest of the code. So we can copy the rest of the code and then paste it after the loop where it ends or the for loop where it ends, and then continue with the code. Then copy the closing bracket at each step. First check whether there is no error in the code and only then proceed forward, because if there is an error then it will lead to waste of the time. Then we'll copy the draw score function followed by draw lives function. Then collision detection function. So let's zoom out a little and let's copy the collision detection function from start to end. So this can get a little tricky. Let's zoom out a little bit more. And now we'll be able to copy properly and paste it in the code pen. Next, we copy the game state draw function. Copy the rest of the code from the copy code block. Add it after collision detection. Then let's copy the closing bracket and the draw function. And now the game should start. So as you can see, we have a brick breaker game. And on the clicking of the arrow buttons, the block is getting moved. We have the collision properly and the ball is moving. And this is how you can build a brick breaker game using HTML, CSS and JavaScript using ChatGPT. Hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you and have a nice day. Goodbye.